Good morning once again. This is Barnabas. This is Euro CHF trading recap for the week. So I've been on this trade. This pair have been on my watch list, and I've been monitoring it for a long time, making my mistakes, taking my corrections, doing my journals, and probably seeing what the market is trying to show me and not what I'm trying to see. Yes. That is one thing. Trading will always try to show you, a pair will try to show you what you are supposed to see in the market and not what you want to see. That is it. So, being said that, I would like to explain how I got some of the entries for the week in this USDCHF. First of all, I was monitoring the trade. It has a series of higher highs, got to this high, sold from here and created a market a shift in the market structure. It created a shift in the market structure at this point. So it created it at this zone, then gave inducement at this zone. This is the inducement, gave the inducement, and then triggered from this breaker block. So that was it, and sold to this zone before another movement. So this pair actually on was actually on a correctional move. Then I was now following it after the impulsive move. This is a correctional move. So I was following it. This is the lower high, this is the lower low. Here is the lower high, here is the lower low, which I got here. Then coming to this side, market now use this particular 4-hour OB here, and after creating equal low liquidity. If you notice this zone that I marked out, there is an equal low liquidity here. So market created it, it engineered the liquidity, came down for it, and triggered this little OB that you are seeing here, other block, then pushed up. Then little do I know that the market, okay, since the market did not break this low, I was supposed to be looking for an uptrend. This particular low, market did not break it because I was expecting market to break it, but market did not. Pushed up and keep on going up. Then until this point, it gave us a change of character in the market. So this is where I now understand that the market has changed character. Then this was the first entry. This was the first entry. After I started creating a higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, it used this breaker. Then where did I sold? I sold at this high. I was not expecting too much. It was 1:5. I have to go off at this zone. Then market now broke another structure, showing me that it has changed character to the upside full time. Then this is an impulsive move from this zone. It gave us an impulsive move from this zone. Then I'm expecting a correctional move because now you say, okay, I'm saying that the market is turned bullish, but I started selling from this zone. Yes, I'll show us why I started selling from this zone, and expecting the market to reach this zone because it broke the structures here. This structure it broke it. This first structure, the second structure, the resistance, the support, the resistance zone here. Sorry. Then give us an MSS. Then I'm expecting the market to come down and trigger this OB. Then buy to the upside to this level. This is where I'm expecting this market to reach. So let me show us how I got this market, how I got the sell. First, I have to go down to 15 minutes because the market has been on an uptrend. It has shown an impulsive move. Then this was the impulsive move. I was following the market. It was showing me a series of higher highs and higher lows. This was the low, this was the high, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, the low, the high, the low. It gave us a high here and it did not break this low. Okay, I was expecting it to break this high again because it gave us a higher low. Then I was expecting it to break it again. Then market did not break it. Then this particular uh, place now broke the structure, giving us a change of character. This is where we got the change of character. I got a change of character here. This I got a change of character here. This one. Okay, broke this one. So as market broke it, then what should I be expecting? I was expecting market to break it down, to go down more, to break this zone also. That was what I was expecting from the market before I will go into it. So I was expecting a confirmation before I go into the market. So that was it. So what now happened? Market started giving me an engineered liquidity. Market started engineering liquidity here. Started doing this, coming down on ups and down. Started creating engineered liquidity up to this level. I then came down to this before coming to this particular OB that I chose. So if you notice, this is 15 minutes after I spot my change of character. I have to wait patiently for market to give me what I want. I saw the change of character on the 24th of June. Then I waited until what? 26th of June, which is Thursday. So 2 days of patience. Then what do I do? I now enter this first trade after I got my inducement, my POI, my bias. This is on a correctional move. Mind you, the market is bullish. Yes, but I'm selling from this zone to a point where I'll start buying again. Then I took this first trade. Then what do I notice? I notice a break of structure again, multiple break of structure here. Then market engineered liquidity again. I have to take this one too, push down to this level. Then this third one, I didn't take it. Yes, I will tell you the reason why I did not take it. And I actually sold at this zone. Why? I sold at this zone because market, this is weekend. It's Friday already yesterday. Then I didn't want to hold the trade over the weekend. Then I would like to continue from Monday and see how it will go. But this was my prediction, my analysis, and how I got the entries on USDCHF for a correctional move to this zone that I marked out. This particular zone now is where I want to buy from. So I'm expected to sell to that zone before I start buying because the pair is completely bullish at this moment. So thank you for your time once more. I appreciate this.